Tower B, 103. This is the 3-bedroom with 2 majlis. The living room facing front. And the bedrooms facing in the back. This is the second majlis. This is room 1. Oh. Room 1. Room 2. Yes. All the rooms have balcony, but facing back. And this, they installed the mirror by themselves, or maybe it's part of the...
I've never seen, in any building.
This is the master. That's on the light. Yes. Room, master room. And then, where is this going? To the kitchen. This is the maid's room. Maid's room. Laundry room. And storage. Then from the kitchen, you can access the living room again. Then the main entrance.